Good day, everyone. Windows 11 slow startup fix. The best fix is to do a right click in the start icon and then go to Task Manager. So once the Task Manager is opened, we will go to the startup apps. Like the very first is the processes, the second is performance, third is app history, and the fourth option is startup apps. So here we need to click on that and I will maximize it. So in the status bar, you can see how many applications are enabled at the startup. So when you turn on the computer and if all these applications try to open, then the startup will be definitely very high. So you need to check one by one and you can leave the security, audio and graphics and rest of the applications. You can always do a right click and you can disable it. Since you can see it is already disabled, it's giving me an option to enable it. So once you do that, you can simply restart the computer and see a big difference in your startup apps. Do let me know if after disabling startup items, is your startup time has been reduced or not. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.